Alright, guys, and run this for John Teglia. He has the Yount Cycle from tonight. We're going to 7:03 p.m. multi-type live. We are live. 7:03 and 7:03. Just clicked over to 7:04. We are going to grab the list. We got 10 spots. It's a cool bobblehead. I just was at the game myself. And we are going to drop that into random. We have 10 entries. Corey Ritter's on the ends. 7:04 p.m. We're going live. Or we're going to roll 2 dice, my bad. We're going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have an 8. We're going 8 times. Good luck. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 times. Dice shows an 8. Next click. Top spot wins. Good luck. And 8. Congrats to Joe Bull. Spot number 6. You are the winner. Get in touch with John and collect your bobblehead. We are done. 7:04 p.m. We will type done. We are done. 7:04. 7:04. Here is the verification and the timestamp.